Hey guys, how we doing? My name is Zach. I'm here with Shoe MGK, and today we're going to be looking at the Allbirds wool runners. And I'm going to be teaching you how to clean them. Now, Allbirds suggests just to throw them in the washer, which you can totally do, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a much quicker way if you're trying to get them clean right away. So watch this video, and we'll see you at the end with the results. Since this is such a complete shoe, today we're going to be using the Mini Complete Kit from Shoe MGK. It features 2 4-ounce cleaning bottles, the 4-ounce water and stain repellent, and the shoe freshener. So the first step is always going to be removing the shoelaces. I'm just going to do one shoe at a time here. So to clean our laces, we're just going to start by adding a little bit of the cleaner and conditioner solution into a bowl of water that we're later going to be using to clean the shoes. A few drops will do. Now I just like to go by hand, add the laces in, and just gently massage the solution into the laces and just drain them out just by pulling and draining, pulling and draining. Do this a few times until the laces are clean, and we'll leave them out to dry. So now that our laces are clean, I've set those aside to dry, and we're going to be cleaning the rest of the shoe, starting with the side paneling, the uppers, and the toe box, which is all made out of this merino wool, which is very delicate. So instead of using our brush, we're going to be using just a soft cloth and just gently rubbing the solution into there. I already have some set aside in the bowl, so we're just going to start cleaning them. I like to get it nice and soapy so it's very saturated with solution. Alright, so that looks like all of our solution is nicely soaked into the shoe. Now what I like to do from here is I like to get a clean cloth and some clean water and kind of try to rinse some of that solution out. So I'm going to change my water and I'll be right back. Alright, so we have our fresh water. I'm going to get a clean rag this time as well. Get the rag nice and soaked. And we're just going to rub just some clean water into the solution. All right, so now that the top of our shoe is clean, we're gonna move on to the sole of the shoe. For this, we can use the brush, as it is a rubber sole made out of all recycled material, really good. This bottom is so dirty, we're gonna clean that up really nice. I like to start by getting my brush nice and wet, and then what I do is I add solution straight to it. Just like that. All right, and now we're ready to clean the soles of these shoes. Make sure we're careful with the brush not to hit any of the wool, as we want to keep that nice and pretty. It's a very delicate material. So you want to get the solution nice and soapy, very sudsy on the soles of this shoe. Typically the solution is going to be gray to start out, but once you see it turn white, it means all the dirt has been lifted. We're going to set our brush down, grab our towel, and we can just wipe this clean. Wow. That is so much nicer. Wow. You always want that nice, bright, shiny midsole. Just really adds a lot of contrast and just makes the colors pop a lot more. That's awesome. So now we're gonna start going on the bottom of the shoe. I'm gonna add a bit more solution to my brush. Just a few drops. We'll do the trick. Let's see this thing work. So you can see those gray suds right there, lifting a lot of dirt off of this shoe. We're gonna wipe this just to see the difference real quick. Wow. So you can just see how clean it is over on this side of the shoe that I was working on. All right, so we've gone over the whole shoe. We've brushed it all clean. I pretty much just take this last moment to look for a few spots that we might be able to rinse out. Other than that, I just take some clean water, which I just changed out, a clean cloth, and just kind of rinse out any other little spots of solution that you see, or if there's soap buildup, which can happen, we're just gonna rinse those right away. Get them nice and clean. These are just finishing touches. All right, so I don't see any more spots or stains on this shoe. This thing is looking pretty clean, so I'm gonna set them outside to dry, and once they're dry, we'll see the results. All right, so we let the shoe dry for about 30 minutes. Looking at it, it's looking really, really nice. You can see the midsole is super bright and white. The nap is staying beautiful on the wool. Laces are clean, bottom of the shoe looks shiny, clean. Honestly, these things are pretty much done. I didn't think the shoe was that dirty to begin with, but then once I compare it to this other shoe, it is just obvious how clean we got this thing. So the last things I have to do is hit it with a little bit of water and stain to get some of those last minute stains out, freshen the shoe with the shoe freshener, and obviously protect the shoe with the repellent. So I'll get to that right now. So we're gonna go and grab our water and stain repellent just to get a few small stains off the bottom of the shoe. Start with a clean cloth, 2 to 3 squirts of your repellent. I just kind of isolate a small corner of the cloth, and I'm just gonna take this, and there's just a few little marks of dirt that I'm gonna go over, and just, they rub right out. This stuff is awesome. Super powerful. You don't need a whole lot, and it makes a massive difference on the bottoms of your shoes, midsoles, and any other leftover spots. So the shoe is very clean now. The only thing we need to do really is get that smell away from them. Like I said, I was wearing them for 2 weeks, and don't have the cleanest feet in the world. But 2 squirts of these right into the sole of the shoe. 1, 2. The shoe freshener from Shoe MGK does a great job at eliminating odor. It is awesome. I use it on all of my shoes, and you can also go with the shoe balls if you want as well, and this will just make it last a lot longer. Now that your Allbirds are clean and they smell fresh, we're gonna let them dry for about 30 more minutes, and then we'll hit them with a little bit of water repellent to keep them protected for weeks to come. All right, so you just want to get about a foot or 2 away, and we're just going to make sure that we coat the entire shoe in the water and stain repellent. This uses nanotechnology to bind to the agents of the shoe, creating a beautiful waterproof layer that's just going to keep water and stains off the shoe for good. This thing works incredibly well, and it comes in most of our kits, but especially the Mini Complete. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something about how to use our product and how to clean the Allbirds. We'll be coming at you with more content shortly. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you very shortly. Don't forget, respect your shoes.